Hello guys, today we are playing Stickball Legendary. It's a very good game that sticks fight each other, stickmans fight each other. So there are four dates called Classic, Machines, Tournament and Endless Deaths. So here I played the Endless Deaths, Tournament mode and Classic campaign. But here machines very you see these machines? They're actually it's a new thing updated today. So now I played this game already, but this came new update. Now I'm going to show you how to play this game. First, they are going to give some video. I'm going to keep it in full video. First, you have to keep normal. That will be easy. Then hard, then insane. First, keep normal. There is some video. Let's see it. If you want to keep, you can keep. But I'm going to keep it right here. No, this is a video. I'm going to skip it. If you want to see, you can see. I'm going to skip it. I skipped it. So this is the first level here. The Archidons. So they have Archidons. What are Archidons? Archidons are the people which throw arrows, and we already have clubmen. They need gold, and miners have gold. Now let me keep. Okay. So they said first to keep. From second level, third level, you have to follow whatever you want to do. First, we need a miner so we can get extra people. Afterwards, nobody is saying to control. If you don't want to control, you can don't control in next game. But we had to control. Now this means to stop controlling. And you get 2 clubmen. This is for fighting. And you see the enemy statue. This is the Archidon. If we break the statue, we will win. But they will. In the first level, they would make it easy. But in the second level, third level, we will have to attack their thing. Attack. This is attack. Can you see the shield? That means defense. Now, we are fighting. Now we have to back away. We have to, because they will kill us. Let me claim more clubmen. Oh, one of us died. Shit. Luckily, we have two miners. But in this game only, they will keep only 2 Archidons to make it easy for us. Let me keep 3. It will come a little faster. Miners. So these are called miners. I'm controlling them now. We can control any unit, but not the statue. Now we will get awards. You will drop off gold. Okay, now I'll fight this. But this is called clubmen. But when you play this sword rod, you will get this, and it will call us sword rod instead of this. Let me show you. I'm going to kill one of the Archidons. I'm going to kill them. I'm killing. I'm going to show you how to jump. Like this, and jump. Ha. This is how we control units and kill. They will be like this: first kill, 5th kill. I killed one Archidon. So we have to defeat the enemy statue. They have very less army. That time we will be attacked. They simply no. Let's attack. Now we have to press these 2 swords. We have enough army to defeat them. They're just as before. They will give red blood actually, but here in the new update they give purple blood here. Now let's play. They have reinforcements. We have better things than them. Let's get more clubmen. If we have Archidon, they'll keep on killing the statue. By that time, our sword arts will be. We won because we defeated the enemy statue. Now we got 20 diamonds, and even we'll be able to get chest if we are 20. So what do you say? Here, after victory, there is something. Now they went to their homeland and fled to their hills. By that time, we are going to get some new things. Now let's see. Archidon. If we control it, we have to shoot an arrow like this. And one more thing. When we go back, there'll be some fire Archidons. That's called the castle archer. It will shoot fire arrows. Before we didn't have that. Now let's play. Here we upgrade. Mostly we had to upgrade the statue so that it would take time to defeat. It would take the enemy people to defeat our statue. But here I'm going to improve our castle Archidon. So I want to improve this. So I'm going to improve this. The stats. I'm going to improve the Archidon. So it will become stronger when it attacks. We are ready. Now we will buy. I don't want to buy. So we'll be ready. Now we are in the sword rat. Now your army has been attacked by the natives to this level. So now we have 4 things. So we don't have that much time. So we have to press this and they give it in the default when you play in the second level. Otherwise you have to buy. Now they're coming fast. Ambush came. So we have to press this. And now our castle Archidons will attack. By that time I'll be able to get. From the statue even we can collect gold. Now we have enough. Now ambush even will come. We have to turn like this to see if they come. By that time we will wait for to get our extra. So here now I kept 2 Archidons. It will be easy to attack. Oh no, 3. First let's attack first. We killed one of the ambush. Oh no, one of us is dead. We have to get more. They could, at the last there'll be 5. It's very easy to defeat them now because we have many now. Now we have 5. Now let me get one more extra for the clubman, and now I'm going to keep on archer even so that it will be able to defeat from the back. Oh no, again they came. We have 7 that it will be lucky we can kill them. I kept 3 more clubmen so it will be easy to defeat the other 5. See, now 5 ambush. We have to be careful. Sorry. Now let's play. Now we have 5. Now add. Now after 5 we won. They will raise up to win. Now Now we will have to defeat the sword attack. By that time, now this is the end of our video. For now, bye bye.